Welcome back. Now in this video, we're going to be talking about using WordPress as a sales tool. Now, whether or not you use it in conjunction with your network marketing business, or you are selling products for your team or selling products for your prospects, you are going to want to be able to create attractive sales pages and to be able to do them from your WordPress website. And this is where you are probably going to have to either purchase a plugin or purchase a theme that will help you to be able to do that. And you can do that so that you can either add it on to your WordPress website, or you can have a theme that will actually be that will take over the entire look of your site. One system that a number of network marketers rely on is called OptimizePress. Now, while there are many systems that will give you sales pages, OptimizePress is a theme that will allow you to build business pages, whether it's for your front page or for things that you want to sell and offer to your customers. Once OptimizePress is installed inside of your WordPress website, you have a separate OptimizePress dashboard, and you start the process by creating a new page. OptimizePress gives you several templates in order to start with. They give you landing pages, which are templates, thank you pages, sales pages, webinar pages, membership pages, launch pages, and FAQ pages. And basically, these templates are going to be starter templates that you can use in order to build business pages. The other thing that OptimizePress does is build into it the email functionality that we have been talking about in other videos, as well as integrations for Google Analytics. And basically, everything that you do inside of OptimizePress will be a page that you will have created. And these pages are going to be used to either market your brand or sell a product or service. And as you can see, some of the templates can be used for the front page of your website. So in a template-based WordPress system, you would select a particular template, and the system would operate within WordPress. You will then be able to add in videos, as well as everything using a point and click and drag and drop interface. Everything within themes like OptimizePress are going to be fairly easy to customize, but also give you the ability to create attractive pages. So if it is your desire to create easy to use sales and marketing pages, you will want to consider thinking of getting some kind of page builder system. Now, obviously, the page builder system is not going to make sales for you, and it's not going to recruit people into your business. But what it will do is it will free up your time and help you to create something attractive for people to see and for you to focus your attention on marketing your business. So with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. Now in this video, we're going to be talking about setting up your support and contact forms. Typically within the WordPress theme that comes with your site, you will notice that WordPress will suggest that in order to have contact with your customers, in this case this would be your team members, you would need to try to find a plugin to add a contact form. And basically that would give you the kind of contact form someone could fill it in and you'd get an email notification. And you'll see a number of plugins available for contact forms to actually add to your WordPress site. One thing WordPress does not do by default is give you an option in terms of being able to set up the emails that WordPress sends out on your behalf, typically to your team members or your customers or whoever would be coming to your site or getting an email. Now, this has a downside for a couple of reasons. It's quite possible that you will not receive an email from WordPress, and this is because sometimes an internet service provider will literally block the emails coming out of WordPress coming from your server. And this would be the same thing that would be happening to your downline or whoever would be coming to your site to get vital information for you at a particular time. There are workarounds, and there are companies like SendGrid that will allow you to connect their server to your WordPress site so that your emails from WordPress will get delivered to your customers. However, this is not 100% foolproof. But there is a way around this in that you can set up a cloud-based support system. There are a number available. One such system is called Zendesk. When you link with Zendesk, what will happen is your downline or whoever is coming to you for information, they'll be able to submit a request and put in their email address here, and then your team member would just hit submit. Almost immediately, they would get acknowledgement from your help desk. You would be able to acknowledge almost immediately, and your team member would get instant acknowledgement. Now, the question will be, how will you be able to easily get this site connected to your WordPress website? Now, for the case of many of the support systems that we are talking about, you can add in integration into WordPress. Zendesk is just one of them. As you can see, there are lots of integrations for Zendesk. And what you want to keep in mind is that your fast reply will typically be helpful to your downline, especially when they need information, and in some cases when you have new prospects who want to talk to you to enter into your business. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. Now in this video, we're going to be discussing specialized themes and plugins. Now a WordPress theme can build in functionality to what it already does, but there are also specialty themes and plugins that will allow you to change the entire site. And this is important. As you notice, this website, this WordPress website, is built in a directory. You could, if you wanted to, build several WordPress sites in several directories and have them all on one domain name. You could even have one main WordPress site on your main domain, as well as building a satellite of sites around on your domain name. Now, what will this do for you? Well, this will allow you to have some specialty sites in some of these subdirectories. There is a free theme called BuddyPress that will allow you to take your WordPress site and turn it into a social network. Now, there's also a paid series of themes from a company called Premium Press. And the reason that this is notable, showing you the themes from Premium Press will give you a picture of what WordPress is able to do and what you are able to do with a WordPress website if you want to change the entire nature of it. So, for example, we will take a look at some of the themes within the Premium Press family. There are micro jobs themes that will turn your WordPress website into a site for people who are looking for small jobs like Fiverr and other outsourcing tasks. There are shopping themes. There are actually directory themes where you can have a site that will be a local directory. You can also have a dating theme. There are themes within Premium Press that will allow you to set up a download site. You can also set up a coupon site. You can set up a real estate site, as you can see. There are some video sharing sites which are entirely made just to share video. There are classified ad themes. There are auction themes. And then there are price comparison themes. All of these themes are part of the Premium Press family, and they will change your WordPress website into something entirely different than something that you would just be using for posting. There are themes for car dealers to sell their cars. There are job board themes. And so basically what you have here is you have the ability or the capacity to change WordPress into something that will allow you to build a website for a specialized function. And once again, you don't have to worry about damaging the credibility you have on one particular site. If you can find a use for these different functions of a WordPress theme, you can build them into a separate directory. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.